Right here now, I am in McDonald. Here we are 1 hour and a half to go to Riyadh.
Yeah.
From Kubar going to Riyadh. I have here three cousins from. They are from Qatar.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Saad.
Saad. And you? How about you?
Saad?
No. Suud. How about this big boy?
Sultan.
Oh, Sultan. Sultan Saad and this one, Zun.
Suud. Yes, sir. Sultan.
How are you, Suud? See, hi.
How are you?
Hello. Oh, nice to see you guys.
Nice to see you.
You're going to Riyadh, huh?
No, we
To
want
watch-
to go to my camp.
Ah,
We have camp here.
okay. You have a cup.
Yeah, camp.
Camp.
We are
Oh.
camping.
Okay, that's nice. Enjoy your camping.
Yeah.
And it's season is cold, nice
Yeah.
weather. Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Saad. I'm Louis. I'm Louis.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Oh, nandito kami sa third floor. Yan, third floor po ito. Bababa tayo. We are in the Almutlaq Hotel in Riyadh.
Ground floor.
No.
Hello, welcome to Riyadh NLC 2023.
Elevator, tapos doon tayo bumaba. Kasi kala natin elevator yun eh. Yun lang yung pinanik natin.
Ay, ay. Kumay. Where is Moses? Wait, this is girls, forget. Big girls.
In 600 meters, slide right towards Salmayad Din Al Ayubi Road. In 500 meters, turn left onto Umar ibn Abdulaziz Branch Road.
Ako ba'y... hindi naman U-turn eh. Tanda ako.
Turn left onto Umar ibn Abdulaziz Branch Road.
Wait. Just wait. Ba't wala si... dinarap na siguro si Kuya Gary sa Crown Plaza.
Oh, dinap na niya ako. Hayat National Hospital in Riyadh. I'm now here in Riyadh waiting for the brother who gonna pick us up in this parking area, the old Al Sadan complex. So we are here waiting for the fundo. Around this area on my back is the Top Up Mall. Today is about 11 p.m. of January 26, year 2023 in Saudi Arabia. The night time here.
picture na ginawa natin diyan. Around the world, saka around the parking ah.
Make a U-turn. Make a U-turn.
Ay, saan na rin? Dito pa rin na nga ako eh.
Okay, ayaw mo rin.
Continue for 2 kilometers. Continue for 2 kilometers.
Nadalasan na tali ko.
This is my Almutlaq Hotel accommodation. So I slept here last night, and Kuya Gary too with me in this bed, 2-bedroom. But now Kuya Gary has left to attend with the Lion of Judah Fellowship, while me and Kuya Leo and Carol will go to the church of Pastor Rich